Today let's do a fun MCP project using Python. This will be a starter project and probably will take only 5 minutes. The code I'm showing here will be in the GitHub, and I'll also have the link in the description. Let's go to the code. So here is the setup, and the main code is in the server.py. So what you have is one MCP endpoint that's we are going to query to get some details about yourself. So here I put my name, you can change it to your name. And all the data I'm showing here comes from a JSON file. The file is over here. Again, change this to your name, and also feel free to update any of these sections or add more sections as you want. So once you do that, follow the README and go through the steps. I'm going to do that right now. All right, now I'm in the right project. So let's set the environment and activate it. All right, that's done. And also let's install the dependencies. You'll need Python 3.10 or greater. All right, I already set it up, so everything is here. Now once you do this, let's do a test run. So like this is the project that's going to be called from Claude, but before that, let's just run it and make sure there are no errors. Okay, it comes up and there are no errors. Now let's just kill it. All right, now what we are going to do is open Claude and set up these things. Basically, you want to call this same server file from Claude, and this is the setting. So make sure to change this to your particular folder and call. So first let's open Claude. And happy Friday to you if you're watching it on a Friday. So here you go to Claude settings as a developer, or here you go developer settings, and then you go to edit config, and here are the settings, and you will probably change this for your own directory, right? Everything else will remain the same. So once you do this, you have to reopen Claude, right? Once you reopen Claude, make sure there are no errors. You can also tail the logs to make sure everything is fine. So if there are any issues, it'll show up in the log. The log path also I gave that in the README, right? So now you have a new session. So let's ask some questions. Use fun MCP for my questions. All right, so it has made sure that the connectivity is ready, and it can use that for the questions. Okay, I'm asking some fun facts. So this data is going to basically be from the stools endpoint, and that's going to give that details, right? So here it got the detail and it's adding its own flavor. So it's something nice, for you to try out and see how it works out for yourself. Let's ask something else. Okay, let's ask the weakness. What about? All right, so now it's getting this information and it's adding its own flavor. Try this for yourself, and hopefully you found this useful. Like, share if you found this useful. Thanks for watching.